Hi guys, welcome back to FPL Weekly. Today we'll be talking about the Game Week 23 captain and gamble picks. So let's begin. So firstly let's talk about the captain picks. So the first captain pick for me is Antonio playing against Fulham. He has like 3 assists and 2 goals in his last 5 games and he's back from injury and he looks very fit and he's playing really well. And with Lingard is also in the team now in West Ham's side, and he has also scored 2 goals on his debut, and Antonio has been giving assist and scoring goal as well, and he's the target man. So I think playing against Fulham, Antonio will get you a lot of points and can be a good captaincy pick. Another captaincy pick for Game Week 23 is Bruno Fernandes playing against Everton. So fresh from scoring 9 goals against Southampton, Manchester United, and Bruno getting back in form as well, scoring a goal after 3 or 4 game weeks and even getting 2 assists and getting 3 bonus points as usual as he does. If he gets 1 attacking return, he gets the bonus points. And now playing against Everton, I think he will get you the points again, and he can be a good captaincy pick as well. The third captaincy pick for Game Week 23 is a player who is out of form but has a good fixture and can get his form back as well. He is Heung-min Son playing against West Brom. So currently he is in the top 3 point scorers in FPL this season. So he has not played bad, but currently he has not scored a goal in the last 2 games when Kane is injured. But with Kane having a slight chance of coming back for Game Week 23, I think this can be the week he can get back his form and score goals and even get assists against West Brom. That's about it. I guess in captaincy picks, these 3 captains will score a lot of points this game week, and I hope they get you the points that you want to go up in your mini leagues. Now let's talk about the gamble picks for Game Week 23. So the first gamble pick is Alonso playing against Sheffield, and he is currently in only 2.2% of FPL teams, and he has played 90 minutes in the last 2 matches, and Chelsea has kept a clean sheet in both the matches, and he even scored a goal in Game Week 21. So currently he looks likely to play again in Game Week 23 ahead of Ben Chilwell, and can be a great differential because whenever Alonso plays as a wingback, he is always a attacking threat, and playing against Sheffield, I think he can even keep a clean sheet and get an attacking return as well. Talking about the next differential, so that is Rafinha from Leeds United playing against Crystal Palace. So currently he is only in 1.4% of FPL teams and is also priced at only 5.3. To be honest, I still can't get over it that why he is in only 1.4% of FPL teams, because he has been scoring FPL points for fun at his price range, and he has 2 goals and 2 assists in his last 3 games as well. And playing against Crystal Palace, I think he looks likely to continue that form, because Leeds are also back in form in the last 2 games. They are playing well, scoring goals again, and Rafinha is the man who will be providing assists and scoring goals as well. So I think Alonso and Rafinha are great differentials for Game Week 23, and if you have him or you don't have him, you can try to get them in for Game Week 23 and ahead as well. That's about it. We have discussed the captain picks and the gamble picks as well. I hope y'all like the show, and do keep watching, keep sharing, and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.